Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love.
Oh, hi.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I want.
Hey guys, it's Diva Pink Posh. Welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new, welcome. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Of course, we are going to be reviewing the new Juvia'S Place eyeshadow palette in collaboration with Fumi, and I'm super excited to review this palette because I just became a part of their PR list, which I'm super excited about. But I want to be one of the first people to review the palette. Well, I'm pretty sure I'm kind of late, but yeah. The whole purpose of me getting this makeup early is to review it for you guys, to let you guys know my opinions and if I think you should be purchasing this palette. Okay, so this is how the palette looks. It comes in this adorable makeup bag that also has the same image of Fumi on the front of it. But let's just get into the palette, guys. Look how pretty the packaging is. This is how the palette looks. On the back, of course, it has all of the information, the expiration date. You guys know, like, this tells you how long the eyeshadow palette lasts for. So this is how the palette looks. Very beautiful. I'm going to open it for you guys, but as you guys can see, I already used the palette. It doesn't have a mirror, so it's not going to be reflective for this video. So this is how the palette looks, and these are the shades that are featured in the palette. So of course, because this is a review, I am going to be swatching it for you guys. So the first color we are going to swatch is the color ADRIAN, and it's this purple shade here. So I'm just going to take it and swatch it with my finger. And as you guys can see, this is how the purple picks up. And I am just going to swatch it on my arm so that you guys can basically, I gotta take my watch out first. So I'm just gonna swatch it on my arm here. So that's how the purple looks, and that's basically just one swatch. So now we are gonna go into the next shade. It is going to be Ole, which is like a red burgundy shade, and I actually use this shade for today's look. And this is how it picks up on my finger, and I'm going to swatch it on my arm, of course, for you guys. I'm trying to make sure the swatches are like even. So that's how the shade Ole swatches on my. Then we are going to go into the next shade, which is the shade Glam here. So I'm going to pick some up on my finger, and I'm going to be swatching it next to the Ole shade. This is actually one of my favorites. I love Juvia'S Place shimmer pigments because, well, shimmer shadows, because they are so pigmented and like they really pick up and they really show. So the next shade we are going to go in with is FDA Approved, and I actually use this shade for today. This is a gorgeous champagne color, so I'm just going to take it on my finger, and again I'm going to swatch it on my arm for you guys, and that's how that shade looks. You guys can see, right? Last time I did a swatch, like, it wasn't showing. So the next shade I'm going to go in with is Sister to Sister, and I'm just going to take it on my finger and I'm going to swatch it. That's how it look on my finger, and let's swatch it on my arm. That's a beautiful, like, transparent peach shade, and that's how that peach shade looks, if you guys can even see it. So the next shade I'm going to be swatching is the color 7, and that's this pink shade here. You guys know I love pinks. So let's swatch this pink here. It's like a hot pink, but it's not like a neon pink. It's just like a basic hot pink. And that's how that shade looks. And I'm just going to zoom in so you guys can see the shades better. This is how all of the shades look on my complexion. I'm a tan complexion, like an amber. And this is how it looks on my skin. So now that I've swatched every eyeshadow color for you guys, I am going to go ahead and create this look for you guys. If you are interested in seeing me create this look, just stay tuned to the tutorial and watch how I achieve this pretty simple half cut crease look. Keep watching. And since you're watching this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, guys. It's absolutely free and it supports me, guys.
to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit to your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws.
So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Until next time, guys. Bye.
Bye.
That's like her trademark thing. She always has to do that.